What's up, guys? It's your boy E. Bob, get out of the way, man. What's up, guys? It's your boy E, back again with another video, and today I am excited to bring you a brand, and it is the one and only Icegiant, and they custom made a 30-inch 5mm blue Moissanite tennis chain for me, and I'm super excited to get into it with you guys. So without further ado, Bob, do your thing. Alright guys, so we are back, and like I said, we have Icegiant today. I have a 5mm blue Moissanite tennis chain, as I said, and I don't think I am going to need my trusty unboxing knife. We just have a black bag, so without further ado, let's get it open and use some good old brute force on this one, which I definitely got. And another bag.
No. 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 Hell no. No. No.
Throw that out of here. Let's get this bag open. And nice presentation. So right off the bat, I see we have this nice IGT box, Icegiant. We got the logo on the side. Let's open this up here. Love to see this. Check it, guys. Thank you for your purchase. We hope you love the product. Very welcoming invite right there. Definitely a nice presentation. And so the first thing that we are greeted with here is our GRA certificate, which, you know, some people put a lot of stock in this, some people don't, but it is nice to know that what you are getting, you have a certificate for. This is the Global Gemological Research Association. Try saying that 10 times fast. Global Gemological Research Association. Listen, guys, moissanites are real stones, okay? For a carat of moissanite, it can be anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks. People still want to see, even though, you know, nobody's really reselling moissanite, it's still a stone. It's still something that you should value. It's still something you're spending your hard-earned money on, and it's nice to see some type of authenticity. So it's not GIA, which obviously has been around forever, but same respect, as moissanite grows, I think the efficacy of GRA will grow along with it. So we have our certificate right here. Next up, we have this little Icegiant bag. You know, maybe you can put like a lunch sandwich in here.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Or you can put 2 Twinkies in here, or possibly a mini can of ginger ale, or whatever you would like. But we got this little bag right here. Next up, we have the box. We have the Icegiant box, and I believe we slide this out right here. So very nice little thing. And now let us open this, and we are greeted with a microfiber cleaning cloth right here. So we have the nice microfiber Icegiant cleaning cloth. Put this to the side. And then last up, but most important, we have the chain. Blue round 5mm GRA. So here we go right here. Wow. Okay. First impressions here, guys. This is a really, really, really beautiful chain. Let me actually get the fancy gloves, because this thing is shining, guys. Take a look at this thing, and yeah, guys, I mean, check it. Under the light right here, this is absolutely beautiful right here. I mean, you have a super nice shine. This is a beautiful, beautiful color blue. It's almost like a turquoise. It's almost like a greenish blue over here. And in the light, it looks either or. Like in the light, it looks like a very, very almost like light turquoise color. And then when you have it in the dark, it's more of that blue color. but very, very, very beautiful chain. Very beautiful chain. And you know what was really cool about it is that Icegiant does not sell 30 inches. They don't sell 28 inches. For the most part, they sell 20 inches, 22 inches, 24 inches. And the fact that they went and custom made this shows that, you know, they will go the extra mile. They did do a really good job in communication with me. Their customer service was excellent, you know, and it's something that I expect, especially when I'm working with a new company. You know, you always want to make sure that, you know, the customer service is on point, that the shipping is on point. I mean, who wants to sit around and wait for three weeks, a month, 6 weeks, not even know if the jewelry that you ordered is coming? I've heard so many horror stories, it's crazy. But like I said, guys, beautiful, beautiful chain here. Let's get it on the scale really quick and get a quick weight on it, just because I want to show you guys. With tennis chains, to me, the weight doesn't really matter as much, guys, because, you know, it's a tennis chain. You know, it's not solid. It's mostly all stones. So, you know, you're not looking at heavy weights, but still just to know what you're wearing around your neck on a daily basis. Let's get a nice weight on here for you guys. And let's get this in here. And 64.19 grams. So not super heavy. Definitely an easy daily wear if you want to daily wear this. Definitely something that if you wear this out, it's definitely going to get those beautiful looks. I mean, these stones are shining like crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these stones, they are just absolutely freaking gleaming. We can get a quick measurement. Usually tennis chains are always on point, because they are just set and the stones are measured to exactly what it is, so you never really have anything off. But just to get a quick measurement, oh wow, we're actually at 5.5. Okay, so it's actually a little bit over. I'm glad I did measure that. Let's see what this is over here, and I want to try to get this straight on. Yeah, 5.5, guys. Wow. Okay, so it's good that I did measure it. So this is actually a 5.5. It's actually a little bit over, so we have a little bit of a thicker chain over here. So here we go. Let's diamond test it. There we go. Hits right away. Hits right away. And hits right away. You guys know that these are quality stones. Zero issues whatsoever. There was a company a few weeks ago, when I hit the stones, it took me forever. They would not test. And, you know, you can tell right there that, you know, either, you know, there's a lot of companies out there that try to use CZs or just very low quality stones. And whenever it's not hitting, you can always tell that either someone's trying to pass off a CZ as a moissanite, or they're just using really, really, really low quality moissanite stones. And just because you see everyone out there with the VVSs and all that kind of stuff, or the higher quality stones, doesn't mean that all companies do that. And if you're buying moissanite as if it's any stone, you want to make sure that you're getting the top end of it and not anything lower quality. But, you know, whenever you see a stone just hit like that, like, doesn't matter. You don't have to, you know, put the diamond tester in any special place. That means that you're getting high quality. So we have measured it, we have weighed it, we have diamond tested it. Everything is a go on that. So last thing to do is get it on neck, and then we will rate it. All right, guys, and we are back, and here it is on neck. Definitely extremely comfortable. I was actually looking at this when I was taking the plastic off the end, and the shine on these stones is incredible, guys. Like in the sunlight, I mean, this thing, or in any light, this thing is absolutely crazy. Super comfortable to wear and super high quality. I mean, the clasp in itself is a super, super high quality clasp. Let me actually take this off neck really quick. And here is this clasp. And you have this butterfly on one side, which is really cool right here. And then you have this push button mechanism right here. So we open this butterfly right here. Wow, that's tight.
That's what she said.
And then you have this push button mechanism, and it just opens up like that. Super cool, super sturdy. I love that on a chain like this. And to close it back up, you're just gonna push it right in like so. You hear that nice click. Nothing left to do but rate it. I mean, guys, again, look at these beautiful, beautiful stones right here. I mean, this chain is just absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous chain. So that being said, nothing left to do but rate it. And on a scale of nope to dope, I am giving Icegiant's 5mm blue Moissanite chain, an 8.6. Guys, this is a definite pickup. Congratulations, Icegiant. Quality piece. I appreciate the customer service. I appreciate you guys going out of your way to, accommodate my needs and make a bigger chain, a longer chain. So guys, listen, make sure to like and subscribe. And it has been your boy E, and I am out. Peace.